Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while, guys, since I talked to you guys, since I uploaded a video, guys. So yeah, so today I'm gonna reveal two dropshipping store that doing $1 million a month in revenue, guys. So I'm gonna show you what they're doing and all those stuff, guys, and I can give you a tool that you can use to find these stores, and also you can use this tool to find profitable products as well, guys. So and see what the store that's selling those products doing in revenue per month or per year, guys. So if you want to see this and get value like this, guys, consider subscribe to my channel, like and give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Each video I drop value bomb, guys. So if you do all those stuff that I tell you to do, guys, in the video, guys, you will win a consultation call like this guy right here. Please reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook, guys, or Facebook, okay? Because you win that consultation call and you need to reach out to me so we can give you that call and tell you what you need to do to be successful or at your business or be more profitable, guys. So yeah, that's it right there, guys. So if you want to see this stuff I'm gonna show you guys right now, please consider hopping right away. So let's get it. So guys, so the first store I'm gonna reveal to you guys should know this store. If not, yeah, it's called Inspire Uplift guys. So this store is doing $1 million per month, guys, in revenue, guys. So yeah, let's go over this store, and like, I can give you proof that this store is doing that per month, guys. So this is the store, guys. This owner for this store is a really good marketer, because this owner know how to market this stuff. This owner is like taking over all of the ad platform, guys. This owner is doing ads on Pinterest, Google Ads, Facebook, and other platform, guys. This owner for this store is a real marketer. You need to like look at this store, look how they do this stuff, and look how they do their store and all those stuff, and look how they do their product pages, all those stuff, to see how they be successful. Like, look at this. This is a really unique section right up here, guys. You need a discount code. You click right here, guys, to get 60% off for your orders, guys. So that's a really unique thing right up here, because if you on a store shopping for something that you really need, guys, and you see this right up here, you will consider you get that coupon code, and you will like go check out right away, guys, because you won't delay, because you get a nice discount and a really nice deal on that store that you won't find anywhere else online, guys. So that's one of their marketing strategy I'm telling you right there that they're doing, guys. So let's look at one of their product, guys. Yeah, let's look at this backpack right here. This backpack was really a product back in last year. I don't know if this product is still doing really well. As it doing, like, look how their product page is simple, guys. Bro, this product page is really simple. This look like a really branded store. This website look legit, guys. So if you see this website, you will like really want to buy from it, because it look different from the other Shopify stores that you see around, guys. Like, for example, like, you see some other Shopify store that using the same exact theme over and over, guys. So what I recommend now, guys, you can get like someone to customize your theme, so let it look this way, look different from other stores as well, guys. So yeah, that's one of the thing, right? This is one of the thing to do right now, guys. So I will show you like the stats for this store, all their good selling product, all those stuff, guys, with this tool, guys. It's taking a while to load this, bear with me, guys. And a lot of you guys is skipping off the video. You guys don't watch like straight to the end, guys. So as you can see right here, this store is created over 2 years ago, guys. As you can see, estimated sales, guys, they're doing like $3 million per month, guys. It's not if like $1 million, $3 million per month. That's it. That's all based on their traffic source, because this store is getting like over a million visitor per month, guys. I can show you right here with this with similar web. As you can see, guys, boom, 1.7 million visitor every single month, guys. And back then they were scaling a really high product. Back in November, guys, that's the Tom product. That product there was scaling. That product blew up, guys. So these are stories that you need to like look at, guys, and take an example out of, guys, and see what they're doing and all those stuff. And this is all the tools that they're using, guys. That's right down here. Klaviyo is a really nice email marketing tool. I recommend you use Klaviyo over Mailchimp because it gives you a lot more template to like look at and to see what's working, guys. So yeah, these apps are really good apps to have in your store, guys. As you can see, this product, they scaled this product really crazy last year, guys. This product are like over 2 years ago, guys. So recent product there right now they're testing is this product right here. This product is all recent product that they're testing right now, guys. And this store is a really good store to look at. As you can see right here, they're doing Facebook ads and also Google ads and Pinterest ads and YouTube ads also. That's one of the new stuff that you guys need to like test out. YouTube ads, guys. You can create your video ads and have it on YouTube and like try to brand your store around that, brand your one product store around that product. But I recommend you guys to start off with like a general store, guys. That's the way to go. A general store first, then once you find a winning products that if you know like a lot of sales, you make a new store and brand that, and like make a one product store around that product and try to brand it. So that's where when you go to like do your YouTube ads to retarget your customers and Facebook ads and all those other ads, guys. So as you can see right here, this is the sale for this store per month, guys. So that's it for that store, guys. I recommend you to get this tool. I will leave it in the link in the description, guys. I'll leave this tool for you guys to like check out, guys, if you want it or not. The second store is I Go Shop. You guys should know this store. Let's check it out. As you can see right here, look at this store. As you can see right here, they're using like they pay a developer to like customize this theme. As you can see, this theme like don't look like the other theme that you see person using. And also, guys, I have a video like customize your store exactly like this right here, guys. I show this stuff in a video on my channel. You just have to go through my channel and look. I will leave the video in the up at top so you can like check out that video how to customize the store and make it look more branded, guys. So yeah, I show all these stuff on my channel, guys. So you guys want to see this store monthly revenue, guys? So yeah, this is the tool that I told you to get. They give you an extension also. So click analyze store. So when I click right there, take a while to load up, so let's get rid of that right here. That right there, guys. So as you can see, guys, this store is doing like $1.1 million per month, guys, in sale. As you can see, everyone got this look review app and Klaviyo, guys. So I highly recommend you to get this email marketing app called Klaviyo, guys. So guys, you know this product, this makeup bag product, this moon lamp, guys. You know this map as well. You all know this product, guys. So this store is going out there and killing this product, like really scaling this product. And I also recommend you should have like enough money to like when you're doing ads, so you can scale your ads up quickly, so not a lot of press will like find your product and like upon it and take all of your sale, because you like have the budget to like scale out and ads really quickly, guys. That's why you see a lot of pricing that doing like 100,000 and like 30k a sale in one day, because they got the budget to scale their ads really fast, guys. Look at this product page as well. They're using this quantity break discount app right here. This is one of the main key as well, guys. So once you open a store and you know that you want this product, and like you got like 2 kids, right? You want to buy like 2 set. So you see right here, you get a discount right here, like for two you get 5% off each, guys. As you can see right there, this is really one of the main app you should get as well, guys. This really help a lot, guys. As you can see right here, look at their product page. It just really looks simple and like really branded, guys. So that's how you guys should do your store, guys. Don't follow like other person doing like using some default theme that everyone is using. Try to do different stuff, guys. So you know, make your store look different from everyone else's store, guys. You'll see more success right there and more engagement in your ads, and also in your you see more purchase. I mean, sorry for that. You see more purchases, guys, when your store look different, because like everyone nowadays is like being sketchy, because each year everything changed in drop shipping. Like last year, no one was doing one product store to that. It was few person doing one product store. Now everyone is like doing one product store. So next year they're going to have a new strategy come out different from one product store, guys. So yeah, guys. So get these, like look at these two tools, the Clavio and Luke's review, guys, and also get the quantity break tool as well. I also can see their best selling product right here. This product is still selling, and this product also, guys. So you can like boom get this tool and like go over this store and go over other competitors that's in your niche if you're doing a niche store, and like look over. So like once you're in this tool, you see store center, right? You go down, boom, to store analytics analyzer. You click it, you put the URL right here, and like you analyze the store that you're analyzing, guys. You can also look for top stores. Like if right here I click on top stores, you can find some really nice stores right here. What these stores are like branded store. You can see Fashion Nova and those store. These stores are branded store. You can like go way over in like, you can search like in the 100 rank region. Like boom, let's see how much this store ranks on Google. If it shows right there. So you go into this rank right here and search that. I think this tool is like still reckoning, so you get this at some point, guys. But you basically got an idea what I'm talking about, so you can go down and like search for the different like ranks, so you can find different store that's doing real well in sale. And also this tool give you like a lot of good products. Like these products are trending right now, guys. If you can like go and check the trend, so this tool give you a lot of good product that will be like kicking off like really hard, guys. Remember this product was a hard product back in 2017, guys. So guys, I really recommend you guys to check out this too, because you can get a lot of good product. You can see what is your competitors store, how much in sale they're doing, guys. You can see all their good product that they're doing right now, and also you easily find good products to test really quickly, so you can test. And also this tool give you products to test as well, guys. So you'll be like skyrocketing your store really quickly, guys. And this tool give you like 7-day free trial in the link that is down below, guys. So you get a 7-day free trial. It's a pay tool, guys, but you get 7-day free trial. So throughout the 7 days, you can like do your product research on this tool, looking at some other stores and see what they're doing, guys. Once you continue doing that, you make the money back really easily to pay for this tool, guys. So that's it for the video, guys. And also the guy that should reach out to me for the consultation call, reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram, guys. And also please leave a like on this video, comment down below, and all those stuff, guys, so you can win that consultation call as well, guys. So that's it for the video. Peace, I'm out. Go check out my other videos on my channel, guys, and share them as well to your friend and family and anyone that you know that doing Shopify drop shipping or eBay drop shipping, because this help for like enough of those stuff, guys. So that's it.
Take you like a